Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Good afternoon. And if it's the evening and you're clicking on this video, good evening to you too. It's nice to see you also. I appreciate each and every one of you, that's for sure. So, it's Thursday. We're almost through with Thursday, into the Thursday evening. We're getting closer to the weekend. Hope everybody's having a great, prosperous week, of course. And today's video is going to be a little different. Yeah, you're looking at some knives, but we're not showing you the knives. Today's video started with, he goes by the name Big B. His knife channel is On The Edge 72. Again, Big B, his channel is On The Edge 72, and I do have a link. So click on that link if you're not familiar with his channel. Check him out. Definitely give him a subscribe. He'll appreciate it. I'll appreciate it. And what he did is he said, you know what, you guys, let's go ahead and do a video where we talk about and show off our unique badges or shields, that are on these knives. So again, not necessarily showing off the knives, because the knives probably been shown in other videos or will be shown in future videos. But let's talk about the badges. And it's kind of funny because we all have a lot of knives, right? Me, I've been collecting knives, no kidding, since the 80s, that's for sure. Now, granted, not the volume as I bought as an adult and, in the last, 10 years. But again, started in the 80s for sure, collecting knives. So, we all have a lot of knives. So I grabbed one of my pouches with knives, and within about 3 or 4 minutes, I probably had a pile of 35 or 40 knives, and I'm like, oh my God, that's way too many. So I think I've narrowed it down to, I don't know, maybe 15. So we're going to be fast, though. So the first one here. You all know what this is, right? Look at that. How beautiful. That's red smooth bone. 2-blade trapper. And again, look at that shield or badge. Yes, sir. Awesome. Okay, and then, of course, let's be patriotic with our red, white, and blue flag case. Another one, red bone. Oh, what's that? Two-tone, huh? Should have shown that one off on Memorial Day. But yeah, so you got, of course, red smooth bone there. White smooth bone there. Very cool. Red, white, and blue case shield or badge. Well, right here, see that? Remington bullet knife. Look at that. Huh. So there you go. Remington bullet knife. Jumbo trapper. And Bubba, what I'm sending your way is not this one. It's another one. As pristine. Just put away. That one's got your name on it, Bubba. And okay, this one here. Oh, my Camellus bullet. And that is, of course, a big jig bone toothpick, but another bullet shield. Very cool, right? And we're being quick, guys. I'm just showing you shields or badges, whichever you want to call them. Boker, Soligen, Germany. Congress, red bone. Here's a cool one. When I saw this, I had to have it. I got on a bidding war with somebody. But it's a Parker Frost from Japan with an atomic bomb shield. Or just a bomb. What do you want to call it? Whether it was atomic or not, I don't know. But that is just freaking cool on that blue bone. Yeah. That's a Barlow Jim. Big Jim. Oh, here's another Parker. How did I do 2 Parkers? Another Parker bullet. Let me get that out of there. Oh, this one's cool. Schrade Walden USA with a U.S. shield. Of course, dark blue with silver accent. Is that not nice? And this knife, you guys, I gotta show this knife in a video one day. Holy cow. Anyways, it's about the shield, Thomas. It's about the shield. U.S. Now this, I hope this doesn't offend anybody. It shouldn't offend anybody. It's just a collector piece. And we're all here to have fun and just enjoy life, right? So, you know, if it starts to offend you, lighten up. Look at this. You see that? Yeah. That is never leaving my collection. That is just too cool. And I'm not even saying what it is because, again, you know how it is nowadays. Don't want to offend anybody. But that is so cool. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. All right. Oh, here's this was it's another Schrade tobacco. Yeah. Bone, red bone, but that's a tobacco leaf. Cool, right? Unique, different, something you don't see every day. How about a Remington Acorn shield on a vintage camper's knife? Or Boy Scout knife, whichever you want to call it. But that's the Acorn shield, which is very cool. Getting into some of my really vintage stuff. That's like on that red toothpick, but without, of course, the verbiage. But there you go. You know, that's the bow tie, is what I call it. Bow tie shield. Alrighty. And looky here. We got a couple Imperials. Crown on the left, bad police badge on the right. Gentleman knives. Real thin, real nice, very, very nice. Then a couple of my very vintage two-tone Imperials. With the crown shield. So there you go. That's some unique, different shields. I hope you guys enjoyed that. The shields, badges. Of course, many more to show another day, but just wanted to get on here and kind of follow what Big B started. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you made it through. We're under 10 minutes, so that's good. Thank you all for watching. Again, I really, really appreciate each and every one of you, sincerely. It means a lot. So again, remember what we like to say over here at That Pocket Knife Guys channel. What's in your pocket? Cheers from Florida.